Hey guys, so today we've got this. It's my kid's TaoTao 500 watt e-scooter. Well, spring's officially here in southern Ontario, and my kid wants to start riding it to school. But unfortunately, last season, he never changed the oil. So this season, we're gonna make sure to get on top of it and get the oil changed. So first things first, let's start it up. And it really needs to be up on the center stand. So let's get it up on the center stand. So we'll let it idle for a few minutes, but let's at least give it a couple revs, just to warm the motor and oil a little bit faster.
Eventually.
Perfect. That should be nice and warm now. Now we can get to draining it. Well, since the ground's a little wet, let's get a rubber mat in there. So if you look under here, you'll see a 13 mil bolt. That's the oil drain. So let's get that started. So we'll get the drain pan under there. Then we can get that off. Now be careful, as it gets further and further down, it gets ready to start to drain the oil, so you got to be ready for it. Okay, we're right there, and okay, so I think that's about it. Now, of course, you got to make sure you replace the old crush washer with a new one. So let's get this back on. There. Almost got it. Come on. There we go. Now I'll just run it down by hand. And there, done. Perfect. That's all done. Now we just need to add the oil. It only takes about 200 milliliters of oil, so not a lot. My goodness, look how dark that oil is. Whew. I'm gonna have a chat with him about how often he changes the oil, because this is really bad. Okay, so we just got to get the oil compartment open, which is right here. This just takes a Phillips bit, very easy to open. There we go. Right, so we'll get the funnel into the fill port. There we go. Now we'll add the oil. Now let's close this up. There. And that's it, guys. The oil's changed on my kid's scooter. All right, now he's ready for another season. Now to get rid of this old crusty oil. Now we'll try it out, make sure everything's good. Well, no issues. I'm not hearing any clacking, so that's a good sign. Yep, it's ready to go. Perfect. All right, guys, well, I'll see you in the next one.